Do you think that, you know, fair, it's certain statistics, he lost a lot of games, all of that, but did PCB even provide him access to resources like mental health support, professional, emotional support when he was failing? And is that on them?
Yes, it is on them, I think. You know, your player is your asset.
Yes.
So you have to protect your
Even
asset.
when he's not performing, he's still your asset.
Absolutely.
He doesn't become your punching ball.
Absolutely, absolutely. So you have to, again, for that you need to build an entire system.
Ecosystem, yes.
तो अगर वो आपके पास सिस्टम है तो फिर आप उसको रिवर्ट भी करते हैं ना कि ये ओके नाउ प्लेयर इज अंडर स्ट्रेस, व्हाट डू वी डू विद दिस प्लेयर टू ब्रिंग देम बैक अप, सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. हमारे साथ ये है कि a lot we work with the players,
Yeah.
but then obviously we're not working with them at the level of, say, what England would do with their under 15, under 13,
Starting
under 19.
as early,
Exactly.
yes.
They make them do chess games and board games to be able to get them mentally prepared. I mean, look at tennis, for example, right?
Yeah.
That's a classic example that a tennis academy would take in kids at a very early age of 6, 7 year old. And then they work on their motor skills. Uske baad then they work on their shot excellence. So they bring them to a level ke, at a certain age, they're perfect at playing shots. Then they will build their mental capacity and then handling pressure. So ये हम नहीं करते ना अपने बच्चों के साथ. तो ये advanced level sporting environments हैं.
Okay, so Salman, getting back into this, mental health for anyone is important, of course, even more so for a public figure and even more so for someone whose life is under the microscope of the ground and sports. Now, with this in mind, in today's day of social media, where everyone with a smartphone has an opinion, and they believe it's the expert opinion, how do we protect our national assets, our sportsmen, not just cricketers, but our assets, when there is relentless social media trolling? And you can give an aspirational answer.
Yeah, I think there has to be, if there is social media trolling and I'm not Gen whatever, right?
Z, they call it, but there's alpha
right,
now.
Right. So there's alpha.
There's
now.
alpha.
So I feel there has to be a conscious, positive media build-up whenever there is trolling. There's got to be
Positive stuff come up?
Stuff coming
Where
up.
should it come from?
Maybe the same medium, but there's got to be a strategy.
But something coming from the PCB, a positive strategy to overtake it.
Yes.
Okay.
तो चाहे PCB हो या the players own management company, whatever you want to call
उनकी अपनी
it.
PR हो.
उनकी अपनी PR हो. There has to be that because what we're doing is that when we bash our national asset, so then we create an environment where there is lack of respect.
Utter lack of respect, yes.
And I think we need to keep reminding ourselves that we need to respect people who work hard and represent us at the highest level and win laurels for us. Not every time will they be able to win those laurels. Not every time will they be able to perform. इंसान है, वो इंसान ऊपर भी जाता है, नीचे भी जाता है. तो
और ये जो इंसान काफी हद तक हैं, a lot of them have come from not nothing, but not a lot also.
Of course.
Have we supported them in their upward journey, in their grooming? Probably not.
We haven't. When they were struggling, we haven't.
Yes.
We have garlanded them when they have done well for us.
When
right?
it suits our national identity, they are heroes and our commercial endorsement deals.
Correct.